Have you seen those ads promising a $750 Costco gift card if you sign up at bulkhauls.com? I'll cut right to the chase. This is a viral scam, not a real Costco reward. Here's how it works. You're told you'll get a massive gift card, but first, you have to jump through endless hoops. You'll be asked to sign up for paid subscriptions, credit card offers, and free trials. And every time you give them your email, phone, or address, your data is collected and often sold to telemarketers. And here's the kicker. Costco itself has officially warned people that these $750 gift card offers are fake. If you ever see a gift card deal that isn't on Costco's own website, especially one sent through bulkhauls.com or similar third-party sites, run the other way. Let's talk red flags. If you spot a hurry-up timer on a sketchy-looking site, it's there to make you panic and act without thinking. If the website looks super generic, or if you notice it's almost identical to other so-called reward sites, that's another warning sign. Honestly, the only real way to earn a $750 reward from Costco is to become an executive member and spend big throughout the year. That 2% annual rebate is legit, but you have to earn it with your actual purchases, in person, at Costco. So, don't get caught in the scam trap. Don't hand over your info or your money chasing a fake reward. Stick to official Costco channels and you'll never have to worry. Stay sharp out there and shop smart.